Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ikmal bin Abdul Halim. My metric number is 01 DDT2057. I'll be explaining the chain rule technique, which the basics is we use the dy dx formula. So, on understanding the chain rule in differentiation in calculus, or we would say mathematical computing, the chain rule is a fundamental concept that allows us to find the derivative of composite functions. Now, let's dive into the details. So, what is the chain rule? The chain rule is a powerful tool that helps us find the derivative of a composite function. Mathematically, it is represented by the formula dy dx equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. This formula breaks down the process of finding the derivative of composite function into manageable steps. Moving on. Okay. Let's break down the formula. Consider the function y equals to f in the bracket u in the bracket x. So dy dx is the derivative of the outer function, while dy du is the derivative of the inner function, and lastly du dx is the derivative of the variable inside the inner function. Next, why is it important? The chain rule is not just a theoretical concept. It has practical applications in various fields such as physics, economics, engineering, and also computer science. It enables us to analyze complex relationships and understand how different variables affect each other. Okay, let's start doing some examples and practice. We have 3 examples. 2 examples, I'll be explaining it briefly after this, and then the last example will be used my recommended application. Okay, example 1. Find the derivative of y equals to x the power of square plus 4x in the bracket the power of cube. And example 2, calculate the derivative of y equals to 5 minus 3x the power of 4. Let's move on to the solution. Okay, solution 1. First and foremost, we need to identify the inner and the outer functions. The inner function is u equals to x the power of square plus 4x, while the outer function is y equals to u the power of cube. Then we need to find the derivative of the inner function. Du dx in a bracket x the power of 2 plus 4x equals to 2x plus 4, while find the derivative of the outer function is dy du equals to in a bracket u the power of 3 equals to 3u the power of 2. Why is this? This is the effect of the power rule, which is we bring the power as a constant, bring to the front is 3u, and minus 1, 3 minus 1 becomes 2. So, moving on, apply the chain rule. Dy dx equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. So, dy dx equals to 3u square multiplied by 2x plus 4. So lastly, we need to find the derivative of the outer function. So dy dx equals to 3 multiplied by x the power of 2 plus 4x in the bracket the power of 2 multiplied by 2x plus 4. So from this moment on, we don't need to simplify this any further. And then moving on to solution number 2. So identify the inner and the outer function. Inner function is u equals to 5 minus 3x. So, and then the outer function is y equals to u the power of 4. Then we need to find the derivative of the inner function. So du dx equals to inner bracket 5 minus 3x equals to negative 3. And then find the derivative of the outer function. dy du equals to inner bracket u the power of 4 equals to 4 u the power of q. And lastly, we need to apply the chain rule. Like I just said just now, dy dx equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. So we apply dy dx equals to 4 multiplied by 5, the equation of 5 minus 3x the power of 3 multiplied by negative 3. So we need to simplify the result. So the final answer is dy dx equals to negative 12 multiplied by the equation of 5 minus 3x the power of 3. Okay. As for the example number 3, I will be providing a video of a recommended application for my solution.
Okay, after I just finished explaining about the two questions just now, this question I will snap and I use this Mathway, a recommended app to solve mathematical questions. Now what I do right now is I snap the questions, which is y equals to 2x the power of 7 minus 4x in a bracket the power of 8. And what to do right now is it says here how should I solve. Then we need to find the derivative using chain rule. So and then we need to see the solution, and then the application will tell you how to solve it. So first and foremost, the application will tell you the final answer, which is 8 in a bracket 2x the power of 7 minus 4x in a bracket the power of 7 multiplied by 14x the power of 6 minus 4. Okay, step 1, differentiate using the chain rule, which states that dy dx fgx is fgx gx, where f x equals to x the power of 8 and gx equals to 2x the power of 7 minus 4x. You can also see more inner steps in each steps. So as we all know, in differentiation we have power rule. It is the most basic, which is, and every power we need to bring it, it is a constant, and it bring to the front and then minus 1. So and then so it will get the answer a 2a multiplied by 2x the power of 7 minus 4x in a bracket the power of 7 dy dx multiplied by 2x the power of 7 minus 4x, and then 2x the power of 7 minus 4x in a bracket the power of 7 multiplied by dx 2x 7 plus dx multiplied by negative 4x, and then step 3 we evaluate the dy dx 2x 7. Same goes like above. You can show more steps or hide the steps. So the final answer, as is mentioned from the above, is 8 in a bracket 2x the power of 7 minus 4x the power of 7 multiplied by 14x the power of 6 minus 4. Okay, that's all from this application. Okay, thank you for listening.
Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for listening.